Good morning, dear students. Welcome in social science class. Dear students, previously we have discussed about the legislatures or the unicameral and bicameral, the powers of governor, chief ministers, union territories. These topics we have covered through videos and through Zoom app. This was the last topic which is left in the chapter. India is a federation with a strong center. Federation means division of power, as we have already discussed in first topic of the chapter, that what is federalism when the power is divided, union power is divided into different lower powers or local powers. Just like we have a flow chart, that's central government we are talking about. So central government is working for the entire country, for the whole nation. Any action, any rules and regulation has to be meant that is all for the whole nation. Next, the federalism starts. The central government divides its power to state government, and it is related with the state, in which different lists are used, like control list, state list and union list. These were undertaking these. Then after state governments, they are sharing their responsibility with district administrations. Each state is divided into district, where we have district collector or DC who is controlling the whole area, because what is going on in particular area exactly the central government is not able to know that what kind of problems they are facing. It is only by the specific person who are specially belongs to the particular areas. Then after village administration, and these topics might be have read in 6th standard as well, that what is Gram Sabha and all that. Then village administration is going on, in which we have panchayats or local authorities who are controlling the whole area. So this was the federalism, we can say, that when a huge government is dividing its power in different local authorities or subordinates, we can say that. The students, you have to learn these keywords also. Bill is a proposed law. Budget, the statement of income and expenditure. What is the difference between income and expenditure? That is your budget. Discretionary means these are the kind of powers which is associated with powerful persons, those who are having a power, right to do or to take any kind of decision, in which the president or the governor, they are not bound to take any kind of decision from the particular area. Law, certain rules or regulations to followed, whole violation will lead for the punishment. In this, what happened, those law means which is rules and regulations which a government is providing and the public they have to perform. Ordinance is a temporary law enforced by the executive when the legislature is not in session. Means the preferable environment for the people, so that they can also get all the facilities exactly which they are required. So this was the whole topic, we can say, that who is considering as a India is a federation with a strong center. Dear students, yesterday we have discussed about the different union territories. We have discussed about union territories in previous, but these were the powerful areas who are controlling the specific administrative area where central government, state government, district administration, village administration, they all are working together for the development of the country. So this was all about the chapter and revised chapter again. Thank you. Good day and